Oh, what's that? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, my beautiful people. It is super early in the morning and y'all recognize this place behind me because I feel like every time I'm about to go and do my nails, I start the vlog in the same exact spot. But yeah, I'm headed to go and do my nails right now, hoping that I'm the first one there. I think they open at 9:30 and it's not even 9 o'clock yet. But yeah, is there anyone there? No. So they do open at 9:30. There's no one there right now. So I'm gonna just sit. They have some massage chairs outside. Let me show you. So they have these massage chairs right here. And then this is the salon right here. Yeah, so I can just take a seat until they get here. But at least I'm the first one here. So yeah, the door is booked. Let me make sure what time they open. 9:30. Oh, what's today's date? They have opening times put up here. They have Christmas opening hours. They close on Christmas and Boxing Day. What's today's date? 9:30. Yeah, so I'll just wait. I'm still here waiting, y'all. But can I tell you, remember, did I tell you in the last vlog that I don't normally sleep in the afternoons? And for 3 afternoons now, I have been sleeping with the kids when they go down for their nap. Because I realized like my body, I think I've been overworking myself. Because Rain still gets up in the night, you know. She doesn't get up as often, but she still gets up in the night. So she wakes me up at least twice. Not with crying or anything, but I do like breastfeed her still. But she only stays on for like a couple of minutes and then she's done. So it's like wasting my time really. Anyways, and then she's awake at 6 in the morning. So she gets up really early. So she sees Sean before he goes to work and everything. And then River, sometimes if she's loud enough, she wakes him up as well because he's gonna hear all this movement and commotion in the house. And then yeah, so my day starts at like 6 in the morning and I go to bed. Sometimes I go to bed very late because at times I stay awake to edit these vlogs because that's the best time I find, because when I'm editing it in the day, when I'm trying to edit in the day, that's when the two of them, River and Rain, want to come and mess with my laptop. So it's like, oh my gosh. So I either used to do it when they're asleep for their afternoon nap, but then at the same time I have to go and get dinner started. So like season up the meat, all that stuff. And I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just slow down, and I started napping with them. But tell me why I overslept yesterday. This was yesterday. This was me rushing yesterday. I'm doing the most with these afternoon sleeps. This is like my 3rd one, and I overslept. It's time to go for Kayla. Can't believe I'm running so late. Oh my gosh, right, Rivi, we're late. Yes, as you can see, I got a little carried away. Sleep felt really, really good. It's been feeling really, really good. I deserve that. You know, it was nice. It was nice. I felt really nice and rest. When I woke up, I was like, oh, that felt so good. That sleep was so good. But Rain is the one that woke me up. If she didn't wake me up, I don't know. I would have been super, super late for Kayla. Yeah, but I think the people are almost here. It's almost time for them to open. It's almost 9:30. They open at 9:30. I say that just to say, like, if you're a mom just like me, you have young kids or whatever, don't overwork yourself. Like, slow down. Take a minute to breathe, because we feel like we always have to be on the move to get things done and everything, you know, because it's like I have 2 at home, but I still have one that goes to school that I have to take to school every day and pick her up every day and make dinner, because I want to make dinner in time for when my husband comes home, yada yada yada. But yeah, I have just learned now for these past few days, slow down, girl, and that I've done. But yeah, Sean is at home today. Yeah, so I dropped ShéKayla off, stopped at McDonald's, got breakfast there. And tell me why McDonald's have paper cardboard lids now. So they got rid of the plastic lids. I swear soon one day, we ain't gonna have no lids at all to drink from. Honestly, it's just ridiculous. It didn't feel bad drinking from it though. It fit over the mouth quite nice. And you don't have, I don't know, it felt nice. But I'm thinking I was gonna get soggy, but it's a coffee. Like how long do you have your coffee? You're gonna drink it while it's hot anyway, so I guess it's fine. But geez, it's like, anywho, let me stop before the environmental people jump down my throat on why we need to get rid of plastic lids. I'll see you guys after I get my nails done. Yeah, so I am finally done and I'm heading home. Let me pop it because the lighting is so bad here. I did take a thingy inside of the salon. I'll pop it on the screen. I always take a shot of my nails in the salon because we've got like a nice little plant in there, and I figured it, you know, looks nice that way. I actually wanted to go and get some ingredients, I think, for the rum cake, because I was thinking that maybe because Sean is off today, finally we could make the cake because we've been putting it off for so long. I don't know. I'm gonna ring him and see what he wants to do. Y'all, it's windy today. Today is a windy day. Tell me why I just see a lady. Oh my gosh, it's so dark in here. Tell me why I just see a lady holding her newborn baby just in her arms, like wrapped up in a blanket, walking through the mall. That's so unsafe, y'all. Oh, I hate it so much. I remember even when Rain was small, and to get her from the car to the house, I used to take out the whole car seat and bring her upstairs. Like when I never did that, like hold her in my arms to walk up the steps with her, I always like suppose I trip or something, you know, and fall. Oh my gosh, that is so unsafe, walking through the mall holding a baby like that, because the baby's not, oh shoot, hold on. Yeah, because her baby's not even in like strapped onto her or anything. So I don't know, man. Tiny baby, you know. Oh, hopefully nothing happens. Slow down. How they be coming up here so fast? Honestly, let me come hurry get out of this mall. I still need to call Sean and find out if he want me to go and get stuff, because we need to get like some red label wine and rum. Let me call him and see. So I got the red label wine. Guys, I think $8.99 is for this. And then I got a Ray and Nephew. This is for 11 something. And I got this really dark brown sugar. I saw someone using really dark brown sugar to make theirs. I usually use the light one. Oh, I forgot to get something. I needed to get another browning. Oh, no. I forgot. I got that the other day. I have 2 bottles of browning in my cupboard. Yeah, we're good. I need butter. I don't have the right butter. I just have butter to do like a normal spread for toast and stuff. I need baking butter. I don't think I could use that butter that I have at home. And they didn't have any in this little shop, so I think I'm gonna have to we're probably gonna have to do the cake after I get Kayla from school. Yeah, because I'm gonna have to go Asda for these things, for that specific butter. And probably can get some cherries while I'm there as well. Yeah, so it looks like we're gonna bake tonight as opposed to, anyway, it doesn't matter because there's not even any sunshine out right now anywho, so it don't matter, whatever. So yeah, I'll see. I'm hungry now. It's now 11:30. See how long I've been out? It took a while to get my nails done though. It took a while because I had to soak it off. And this is my real nails. Yeah, I didn't put on any tips today. I just put acrylic on my nail and did white tips and stuff. So yeah, I'm here at Asda. This is probably the quickest that I've ever been in, and I'm heading out now. My trolley not that full. I got everything that I came for, and yeah, so now I can go home, and Sean and I are gonna bake our cake. Yes, okay, see y'all at home. So guys, I got my dumpling on. Saltfish is boiling, and then Sean is here cutting up the seasonings. Ooh, look at my nails now. Ooh. Ruby, what's wrong? What? What do you want to fix? Baby, but you're supposed to put a ball in here. You can't stuff in here with toys and then tell me fix it. Rivi, they can't come. Rivi, they can't go through this hole. Only a ball. Look your ball right here. These toys can't go down the hole. Look, it have to be the ball. Remember? There you go. It have to be the ball. And meanwhile, I've got a large container here with some fruits in there, and I'm gonna juice. They call this a slow juicer, but there ain't nothing slow about this. Hey Sean, look here. And we still have more to go.
Good morning, people. What's episode?
Okay, tell the people good morning then.
Good morning, guys.
Anyways, guys, I figured I would just come and do this quick video. Okay, no more cheese. This quick video. I'm not in the kitchen, y'all. I went live yesterday. I actually went live yesterday, and a lot of y'all tuned in. So thank you to those of you guys who tuned into the live. I was on the live for over 2 hours yesterday. I know. And the last time I was live was actually 2 years ago.
And a picture.
Y'all believe that?
Oh.
Excuse me?
Cheese.
Come sit down. You have to sit down with your yucky mouth. We are wiping. You need to wipe your mouth. Let's wipe your mouth. Everybody know you are eating a cookie. Miss, are you the cook? Are you a cookie monster? You're the cookie monster. Yesterday I did, when I was live, I did say I was gonna be baking. Even in the previous clip of this vlog, I said I was going to bake when Sean got home, and I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that, and then we ended up not baking. I'm not going to vlog the baking. I changed my mind, but we will be doing that later on today. Plus he's off tomorrow, so yeah, today is Sunday and you're getting this vlog today. I know yesterday on the live I said I was not going to upload because the vlog was incomplete, but I said let me just sit down, chat to y'all a little bit, and then I can just upload, because I love having this little one-on-one conversation. You know, y'all could hear me out. The vlog is just constantly moving, talking, but at least now I can just sit down. Yeah, these nails, I love them. I'm in love with them. Yeah. Anyways, what I was thinking for 2025, I'm actually going to be changing the direction of this channel. I have been on YouTube now officially for 5 years, y'all. It was my 5-year YouTube anniversary. I uploaded my first vlog just before Christmas, so it was within this week, and so it's officially 5 years since I've been on this YouTube journey. I just want to thank those of you guys who continue to support my journey by watching the videos, liking them, engaging in the comments and all of that, because it means a whole lot to me. It means so much to me that you take the time out of your day and all of that just to come on here and, you know, see what I'm up to in my life. And I really appreciate you guys, but I think I'm going to change the direction of the channel. I'm thinking about doing short form content come 2025 a lot more than the vlogs, because I feel like people are more interested in that, sadly, because I do love vlogging and uploading these vlogs and stuff. But I'm uploading the vlogs, and I'm gonna be frank, it's not a lot of you guys that come on here and watch the vlogs, right? You can tell by the views. So views for the long form content has significantly declined. So it's kind of like, you know, when you're at work and you're putting in so much work and you feel underappreciated at work, no one tells you thanks, and there's no reward, and you wonder, why am I here at this company? No one appreciates me. I'm just working every day. I get no thanks, no nothing. You know, you want to feel appreciated. And it's the same being on YouTube. And I know it's like I upload videos and I love them because it's like keeping video diaries for myself. I can go back and see all of my kids, their development, because I started vlogging before River was even a thought. It was just ShéKayla and I, and now it's like a family of 5. And so I love keeping these. It's like a video diary to me where I can go back and watch them. So apart from uploading them for myself and for my kids to watch when I'm no longer here, I say that with excitement, but that's facts, isn't it? We're not meant to be here. We're not going to be here forever. But am I going off topic? But yeah, I just going back to feel like there's no proper reward for efforts at work. I feel that way sometimes, and I can't help but to feel this way, you know, because there's so much work that goes into filming and editing, and then it's just hard, y'all. Even coming up with a title. I know people title their videos certain ways to get people to click, and that's, you constantly have to come up with that. It's like, what do I title this video to get you guys to come and watch? And it's like, it's exhausting. Whereas when I upload the shorts, it is what it is, and people are gonna watch it because it's under a minute long, and it's like, yeah, I can spare 30 seconds or whatever, but to spare 20 minutes, yeah, it's just different. But I do need to sit back and think on what I actually want to do with this channel. I don't know anymore. I'm not gonna say this is goodbye, because it's like a part of me vlogging. It's just in me. I love to vlog and record and share it with the world. I've always done that. I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm going to go and get Sunday dinner started. It's around probably 10:30 in the morning or so. Yeah, I'm gonna go and quickly edit this clip for today's vlog, even though yesterday on the live I said I wasn't going to upload today, but yeah, I am. I just won't be baking. Y'all just ain't gonna see me cake baking in this vlog today. I'm just gonna do that for Sean and and I can show you guys the cake. Too much chatting now. Yeah, see you guys when I see you. Happy holidays to everyone out there celebrating, and wishing you guys the very best for 2025. And yeah,
Wake up for you.
and leave a comment
Leave a comment.
and subscribe
Subscribe.
and say love you guys.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Yes, quite.
Yes, tell them subscribe.
And subscribe.
Yeah, that's what they have to do, right?
And subscribe. Awake and
You need to comb, Ribby.
I
Love you guys. Bye.